Don't be afraid to make mistakes on the journey. Some of the best lessons come from mistakes. There's actually products out there that we use on a daily basis which came from mistakes. WD-40 is one of them. Apparently it was the 40th iteration of that product which they now sell worldwide to stop all the squeaks and get rid of moisture. The post-it note that was developed by 3M, they were trying to make an adhesive, but the post-it note adhesive wasn't sticky enough, but they found it was sticky enough to stick thousands of them around your monitor at work. You know the people. And the X-ray was also a mistake. The X-ray was invented when they were trying to design light bulbs. So don't be afraid to make mistakes. You never know what's going to come out the back of them. On the first big property development I did, I got in there, I was too keen, I was too ambitious, and I butchered it big time. I actually lost money on my first big project. Renovations were fine, and when I got into property development, I was a bit too keen, and I lost some money on my first deal. And it was the lesson that I needed at that stage of my life. It was an expensive lesson, and it was an expensive mistake. However, I took that lesson into my next deal, and I de-risked it by implementing all the things I learned from the other deal. I didn't own the next deal, I didn't put any of my own money in the next deal, and I made a lot of money on that deal by learning from mistakes. So don't be afraid to make mistakes. If you're going to fail, fail fast, fail forward, pick yourself up, dust yourself down, and start all over again.